You have two choices: either replace your antenna in its entirety or troubleshoot it. Since my coach was 14 years old and I didn't want to mess with the roof for obvious reasons, I decided to troubleshoot it, and here's my story. Winegard does have an amplifier, but it's in the head of the antenna above your roof. They do that for improved signal-to-noise ratio. What goes on where they had the amplifier before is a 12-volt power source. What it is you have an AC signal coming in with the TV channel, and that goes through the coax down into the coach, where the 12-volt DC signal also rides on the same cable and brings the voltage to power the amplifier. Whenever you troubleshoot anything, it's always a good idea to get a visual inspection so you have some idea what you're dealing with. In my case, I got up on the roof, checked out the coax, and look at all the cracks. Yeah, that could cause a serious degradation of signal. So I replaced the coax, and it does take a little bit of patience threading it through the antenna tubes and getting it inside the coach, but it's not rocket science. On the inside, you can see the original configuration. This is the power source. You just have a button to push and the red light comes on and shows the antenna is on. This is where the antenna farm is in Flagstaff, and the station that we were interested in was KPHO Channel 5 in Phoenix, the CBS affiliate. At the time, they had their translator on Channel 50. That has since moved to Channel 17, which is the same digital channel they use in Phoenix. Of course, their virtual channel is Channel 5. Digital TV, when you have a signal from them, it's solid, it's there, it's like you're in the studio. And then when you reach the outer limit, it's gone. Unlike an analog TV, you may have a shorter grade A signal, but the grade B signal seemed to carry on for a long while. After much investigation, I finally troubleshot. The main problem that I had with my antenna was the actual head itself. Apparently the amplifier either was optimized for the lower UHF band and VHF, which when I bought it in 2000 was king, or just the tolerance of the components themselves had aged, so the bell curve on what it could cover was attenuated. And here's what Winegard will sell you: virtually every part of the Wingman antenna. Hope this has helped and clarified things for you. If you have any questions, leave me comments below. Thank you for joining us.